Glojas from Glojas and hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I'd like to talk about non-invasive body contouring at the thigh region. Laser technology has allowed millions of people across the world to achieve the body of their dreams by helping them to remove unwanted fat and address the signs of aging in the skin. Thighs contouring, also known as non-surgical fat reduction treatment that destroy fat cells, aim to reduce or remove stubborn pockets of fat without surgery. Laser fat reduction and laser skin tightening treatments are two of the most commonly requested treatments when it comes to non-invasive body contouring. It is quick and safe with no downtime. Glojas offers the newest and most advanced laser that are indicated for a wide variety of skin conditioning and body contouring treatments. Don't hesitate to call us now to know more about our thighs contouring treatment, or if you are interested in contouring any parts of your body region. Glojas brings out the best in you.